Alright, I came out to the area by my house to look at my tree that I love. A lot of mosquitoes. It's so hard to get to this tree. It's not that easy. Didn't bring my stick. Must fell. Gosh. You see why I love this tree? Look at this. It does it no justice though. And it's massive. It's just hard to get in there one day. I love this tree. Oh, that was a little knock. Oh, these mosquitoes. If I feel like it's squatchy anywhere in here, it is here. In there. There's good stuff in there. I'm not prepared to go in there today. Not dressed for it. But there's some structures and trees hanging upside down, and that's real close to my house. There's like a little kind of X thing right there. But there's all kinds of good stuff in there. But anyway, just wanted to walk out to the tree, take a few pictures. Oh gosh. My log that I set on is over there. I'll show you. Film behind me, just in case. Get out of here. Ugh. You can see the tree from here. And that right there is a part of the tree. It is a part of the tree. It's all gnarled up. See, that's part. Sorry about that. Goodness, getting attacked. I gotta get out of here. See my log. If anything's by my log. Ooh, man. Alright. I'm thinking that's an owl. I didn't hear it until I got down here and started walking back. We have owls, so it could be an owl, I'm sure.